Hi, welcome back to Divine Times 2, where we love to share delicious recipes, hauls, and sometimes reviews on products we think you'll like and or find useful. Hope you are doing well, keeping yourself happy, busy, and healthy. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make spiced apple butter donuts using our slow cooker spiced apple butter recipe. They are flavorful, delicious, and way better than store-bought. Can't wait to show you how I make these donuts. So let's get started. The first thing I did was butter the donut pan, and I am preheating the oven at 350 degrees. I have 2 cups all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl, and I am adding 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. I am also adding 1/4 teaspoon allspice, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, and 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon. I'm going to mix this well. After I mix it well, I am going to set it aside. Here I have 1 large beaten egg. To this, I am going to add 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/2 cup granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1/4 cup spiced apple butter, and I will link the recipe to the spiced apple butter at the end of the video. The spiced apple butter, it came out amazing. It is so good. I hope you guys give that recipe a try. I am also adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Now to the flour mixture, I am going to add the wet ingredients. Add 3/4 cup apple cider. Mix well. This is what it should look like. If batter is too thick, add more cider. All right, now I am going to add this mixture into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a plastic bag, a zippered plastic bag. I'm going to fill the donut pan 3/4 full with the donut batter. Cut the tip of the piping back. Bake in a 350-degree oven for about 15 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. The donuts baked for exactly 15 minutes. I am going to leave them in the pan for 3 minutes, and then I'll turn them over on a cooling rack where they will be until completely cooled. Since this recipe makes 12 donuts and I only have one donut pan, I am going to fill the pan again. Into the oven for 15 minutes. Now I'm going to make the glaze for the donuts. Here I have 1.5 cups confectioner's sugar. To the sugar, I'm adding a pinch of allspice, ground cloves, and ground cinnamon. To the mixture, I am going to add 3 tablespoons of apple cider. It smells so good. Continue whisking the ingredients together until smooth with no lumps. All right. Let's glaze the donuts. I have here a cooling rack and on the bottom some wax paper. Let's decorate them. These spiced apple butter donuts are amazing. Enjoy them with coffee, tea, milk, or as is. They will become a comforting addition to your holiday goodies. You are going to love it. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed already, please do so you won't miss out on any of our future videos. Remember to stay kind, positive, and divine. See you next time. Love ya. Bye.